This is my fig tree, which I have worked on in several different videos. It is yet again time for a little bit of pruning so it doesn't get out of hand. Especially in this coincidence, I want this one to be the taper, and currently it's not the strongest one, so I want to prune back the others so this gets the most of the growth on the tree. I need to move this one completely because it lines up with this one quite perfectly. This is going to be my lowest branch on the tree, and this one is in the same height, so I can't really use these shoots for anything on the tree. So I need to cut this one off, but I don't have any scissors big enough, so I probably need to use my saw. That's a pretty nice cut. I'm pretty satisfied with that. Don't know, maybe I can use this branch for later. And my main branch here is also overgrowing. There's a new shoot here, I don't want that. And that's it for my fig for this time. Thank you for watching. I'd really appreciate a little like and a subscribe so I can continue working on these trees and developing them way into the future. Thanks for watching.